Is your child hand leading you to things to make you pick it up for them? I get this question a lot. What can you do? Is hand leading a sign of autism? Is hand leading bad? Hand leading can be a sign of autism, but it's a gesture and it's intentional. And so we shouldn't take that as a bad sign at all. We need to, as a child hand leads you, oh, you want bubbles, 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 and say the word 3 times, pop, pop, pop. We need to use hand leading to get children with autism and toddlers showing signs to increase their language. I have a free workshop you can attend to learn how you can take these skills and turn them into real transformation. Check the link below, attend the 1 hour workshop, and begin taking action to really turn things around.